What is the Quran? The Quran, a book that has touched the hearts of over 1 billion people. But what is the Quran really? Is it just a holy book for Muslims, or is it a message for all of humanity? In this video, we will explore the meaning, purpose, and unique qualities of the Quran. The meaning of Quran. The word Quran in Arabic means recitation. It is the speech of Allah, revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, more than 1,400 years ago. Unlike ordinary books, the Quran was memorized and recited by the Prophet and his companions. Today, millions of Muslims across the world still memorize the Quran word for word. Why the Quran was revealed? The Quran was revealed as a guidance for humanity. It answers life's biggest questions. Who created us? Why are we here? What happens after death? It teaches morals, justice, mercy, and peace. It is not just a religious book. It is a complete guide for life. Universal message. The Quran is not prophets and universal values. It confirms earlier revelations given to Musa, Jesus, and others, peace be upon them all. Its message is timeless, relevant for every generation, culture, and society. Unique features of the Quran. The Quran is unique in many ways. First, it has remained unchanged since the day it was revealed. Not a single word has been altered. Second, it challenges people to produce even one chapter like it, but no one has ever succeeded. Third, it speaks to the mind, the heart, and the soul at the same time. Its words bring peace, inspiration, and spiritual strength to millions every day. The Quran and peace. The Quran calls for peace, justice, and mercy. It teaches kindness to parents, helping the poor, and standing against injustice. The Quran says, "Whoever saves one life, it is as if he has saved all of humanity." This shows that the Quran.
How to connect with the Quran. Muslims recite the Quran daily in their prayers. But the Quran is not just for reciting. It is for reflecting, learning, and applying in life. Anyone can read the Quran in translation to understand its message. For Muslims, it is not only guidance, it is a source of peace in the heart. So, what is the Quran? It is the final revelation of God, a timeless book of wisdom, guidance, and peace. Whether you are Muslim or not, the Quran invites you to reflect and discover its message. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic content. And let us know in the comments, have you ever read the Quran, even in translation?